communicating back and forth sucks on Amazon. So we went down FBA and we sent it all in, and we had a lady call a month later, and she said, "Are you guys gonna, put this up so it starts selling?" And I said, "I thought we did. We shipped everything in." It's just, "Oh, you have to go into this setting, and it turns on, and it puts it out for sale." What? So we did it, and we woke up the next day, and everything was sold out. And we were just like, we can't do that.
Wow.
So Amazon's a beast.
Yeah, I sell on Amazon, so I'm very familiar with their system.
If you have stuff that's not personalized, then, send it out from your house. And you don't have to do FBA. I liked FBA because I didn't have to worry about if there's any returns.
Well, the downside of Amazon is that you can return anything for about any reason. We've had some returns that people have obviously used for, like, wedding receptions. Use it. No, I don't want this. Return it. Get it back, and it's still got their damn decorations on it.
And you got to refund them.
Yeah, you don't have a choice. Once I got a box of rocks back instead of the item.
Wow.